Welcome to Tech Vibes. I am speaking as a field technician, and today I will show you how to correctly identify a TV panel fault versus a main board fault, step by step. If your TV has sound but no picture, or picture but no control, one wrong decision can waste your money. Replacing a panel when the main board is faulty is the most expensive mistake in TV repair. So watch carefully before you spend even $1. First, let us understand the role of the main board. The main board is the brain of the TV. It controls booting, picture processing, Wi-Fi connection, HDMI input, remote response, and smart functions. But if the main board fails, the TV usually behaves abnormally even before picture appears. Now let us understand the panel. The panel is the display glass itself. It shows images, colors, brightness, and motion. If the panel fails, the TV may still turn on, produce sound, and respond to remote, but the picture will be damaged or missing. Step 1. Power and sound test. Turn on the TV. If the power light is normal and you hear sound from channels or YouTube, this strongly suggests the main board is working. Step 2. Flashlight test. Use a mobile flashlight and shine it closely on the screen. If you see faint images or menus moving, the panel is usually fine. Step 3. Menu and remote response test. Press the menu button. If menu sound clicks happen but no menu appears, panel side fault is likely. Step 4. Half screen and line symptoms. Vertical lines, horizontal lines, half screen dark, negative colors, or ghost image almost always indicate panel failure. Step 5. External input test. Connect HDMI, USB, and change sources. If all inputs behave the same with distorted image, panel fault is confirmed. Final technician advice. Panel faults are usually not repairable, and replacement cost is very high. Main board faults are often repairable. Always diagnose before replacing. This is Tech Vibes. Accurate diagnosis saves money, time, and frustration.